Hi, I'm Rina with Rina Catena at 7-Eleven Rabbit Road. This is my cannoli cake and I want you to come out and try it. It is 2 layers of vanilla cake, one layer of chocolate cake, and then tons and tons of layers of the cannoli filling. It's very light. It's got crushed cannoli shells that have been dipped into chocolate ganache. Of course, it has a little bit of liqueur, some coffee congetto liqueur in there, and chocolate ganache. It's really yummy. Come and try it.